Going to describe about how you can write the HTML code in text editor. Okay, so for this you have to see my full video and subscribe my channel for the latest update. Okay, so in my last video I have described about how you can install the HTML app in your mobile phone and how you can run it. And from my today's video I am going to describe in my following video series. I am going to describe about how you can write the HTML code from simple to advanced one. Okay, so for this you have to see my full video. So let's start. So see here, there are two parts of HTML. Okay, so number one is content and number two is markup. So content means the information to be displayed. Okay, in web page it can be text, table, list, picture, audio, video, anything. Okay, so the information which is displayed in the web page, that is called as contents. Okay, and number two is markup. Markup means information inserted in the code with the help of tags. Okay, जो टैग के जो हेल्प में जो हम लोग इंफॉर्मेशन इंसर्ट करते हैं, दैट कंट्रोल द अपीयरेंस ऑफ द कंटेंट. सो ये क्या करता है, जो अपीयरेंस है कॉन्टेक्स्ट का उसको ये कंट्रोल करता है, ये मार्कअप. Okay, so there are different parts of HTML. So next one is tags. This is very important because this is the main thing of HTML. Tags means this is the commands of HTML. Okay, so syntax of tag is this. You have to use the angular bracket and then you have to write here tag name and then you have to close that bracket. Okay, this is the start tag. And when you open some tag, so you have to close it. Okay, so this should be done by slash sign and then you have to write the tag name and then you have to close the angular bracket. Okay, so this is the start tag and this is the end tag. Okay, so there are different types of tags are present, but see here the information, okay, the tags, attribute in anything is called as element in HTML. Okay, so there are two types of element in HTML. One is container element and another one is empty element. Container element means the element that contains both start tag and end tag. For example, HTML. When you start the HTML tag, हम लोग को क्या करने का, ये हम लोग को ख़त्म करना ही पड़ेगा. So this is the HTML tag. You have to start tag and you have the end tag. So this is called the container tag. The tag which contains both the start tag and end tag is called as container tag. But empty tag is some tag no need to end. Okay, that is called as empty tag. For example, BR tag means break line tag. When you start the BR tag, no need to end it by slash sign. हम लोग के ये लिखने से ही क्या होगा, लाइन ब्रेक हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द एम्प्टी टैग. द टैग विच कंटेन्स बोथ द स्टार्ट एंड एंड टैग इज कॉल्ड एज container and which only contain the on tag means start tag is called as empty tag. Okay, next is see the basic structure of HTML. This is the basic structure of HTML. So first thing is you have to write the HTML code. Within this HTML code you have to write the all the tags. Okay, this is the HTML tag. Within this HTML tag you have to write all the tag. So you have the starting of HTML tag and this is the ending of HTML tag. So within this you have to write the all the code. So after writing the HTML tag you have to write the head tag. Head tag means this is the document heading. Okay, it describes the, it encloses the document heading. Next one is title. Title I have written here first you can write the title of your document here. So after starting the title tag you have to end it. Okay, and after that your head tag will be closed. This is the section of head tag and this is the part of this is the first part of your HTML code. Next thing is body part. So all the content of the web page should be written within this body tag. Here within this body tag you have to write all the content of the web page. This style, all the font style, then text, image, audio, video, everything whatever you want to input, you want to insert your web page, you have to write all the things in between the body tag. So after starting off body tag, you have to write the start tag and you have to close it by /body, and last one is you have to close it by /html. So this is the part of a body part, this is the head part, and this is the. So let's start for the practical part. So see here, this is my HTML editor. Okay, so you can write the HTML code in Notepad or any text editor. So this is my HTML editor. So first I am going to the option new, then web page, then here I have to write my file name. So say my file name is a dot, no need to write my extension because it is already saved in HTML. So see here, don't enter the file extension because here already extension is inbuilt. Okay, save. So now see here, this is the format of the HTML. So I have to erase it and I have to write my own code here. Okay, so this is my code here. See here, doc type HTML. This line is for which type of document it is. So it signifies it is a HTML document type. Okay, next one is see, this is the HTML tag, then head, then within the head title tag is there which I have described. So now I have to write my title of the web page. So say my title of the web page is my first web page. Okay, so this is the title of the web page. Okay, so next our head section will close. Now our body section will start. So see here, I am writing some code here. Say for example, I am writing here as a JNB World, which is my channel name. Okay, so I want this is in bold letter. Okay, so for bold letter you have to use this tag B. Okay, we have to use the tag B and we have to close the tag as /B. So by writing it, our text will be in bold letter. Okay, so this is my basic program, first program. Okay, so now I will check it whether this is correct or not. Okay, so I have already saved it, so I can use this play button, and I also give you the example how you can use this, how you can run this in a browser also. Okay, so see here, file not saved. Are you sure want to continue? I have to save the file. So for save the file, I am saving this file. Yes, my file is saved now. So see here, JNB World. Okay, this is my output. Now I have to run this one in my browser also. Okay, so see here, I am going to my browser. So first I have to choose my document. Where is my document? My document is in my local drive. So first I am going to the option here. I have saved this file in HTML. So my file was in a.html. Okay, so I have to click on it. After clicking on it, see here the options are open with which application. So I want browser application. So see, my browser is loading. So see, this is the answer, JNB World. Because the size is very small, so this is in small letter. If I want to give the large size of my web page, then I have to use the font tag, which I will describe you in my later videos. Okay, so if you like my channel, so please like the videos and subscribe my channel for the latest update. Thank you.